everyone, this is Anisha here with an important update for all of you guys. Snap Admit Card is now available on the website. Please watch this video to understand the stepwise approach how to download your Snap Admit Card. Okay, so please watch this video right till the end. First thing you will do is go to snaptest.org. Here you will see download admit test card, like admit card for Snap Test 1 option available. Okay, once you go here, then you will get to this login where you will log into your account. All you need is your Snap ID and your password. Log in and you will see the Snap test date and when the other admit cards will also be available. So today, that is 2nd December, we have the admit card available for Snap Test 1. Your Snap Test 2, which is on 15th December, the admit card will be available on 9th. Your 21st December, which is a Saturday, the Snap 3rd, that admit card will be available on Sunday, 15th December, right? Here you just have to click on view, test print your slot admit card. You will get your entire admit card available. Once you have downloaded your admit card, you have to check your time slot details. Time slot for Snap, this time there is only one slot, that is 2 to 3 p.m. So you have to take your exam in 2 to 3 p.m. itself. Okay, so there are no multiple slots. Last year Snap Test 1 में 2 slot थे. I think that was based on number of registrations or so. Right now everybody I think has got 2 to 3 p.m. If anybody has a different time slot, drop in the comment section. Let's see if there is some variation or change happening right now so we can download it. Okay, here once you see, you will see your instructions for the candidate. Very important that you have to keep in mind is you have to carry a color printout of your admit card to the centers. Please note, black and white will not be accepted. So take a colored printout. Please reach the center by 12:30 p.m. That is, if your exam, that's at 12:30 p.m. that means 1.5 hours prior to the exam, we have to reach the test center. You please make a note, change of test center will not be permitted. So you're not allowed to change your test centers. You have to put your latest photograph right next to your current photograph on the admit card and sign there in presence of the invigilator. So that's very important. Along with that, you need to carry your one identity proof card with you, like identity proof. It could be voter ID card, passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, any of them. Okay? But you have to carry original. You have to carry the voter ID card, passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar card, PAN card, all of them. Soft copy is not acceptable, hard copy is required. Okay, that's very important. Along with that, if you want, you can carry a transparent bottle of water, a simple ball pen, and that's it. Nothing else is allowed. अपना पेन खुद लेके जाना, रफ पेपर शीट वो आपको देंगे. उसके बाद में आपका स्नैप का जो एडमिट कार्ड है, it is going to be stamped by the invigilator and you have to preserve this till your GEPI and final selection is done. So make sure you do not lose your admit card. Stamp करके अपने पास संभाल के घर वापस लेके आना है. Okay, you are not allowed to carry any bags, you're not allowed to carry any laptops, cell phones, cameras, calculators, any electronic gadgets are not allowed. Okay, that's very, very important. Rest, whatever things you're carrying with you, you will have no safety lockers or anything available. Just make sure you carry it in a bag and you keep it in a safe space in your exam centers. Nobody is liable for it except for you. So don't carry very expensive belongings with you on the day of the exam. Last thing, start taking your mock tests in your actual exam slot. So my exam slot is 2 to 3 p.m. So I'm going to make sure I start taking mocks every day, 2 to 3 p.m. This is what you have to tell yourself and give the mock tests. If you guys have not yet started taking mock tests, I would like to quickly show you guys the CATKing's mock test series or the dashboard, what you have to make use of. So one, you will be attending the non-CAT boot camps where we have everyday Snap daily classes happening, which is daily 9 to 10 p.m. where we are solving actual Snap questions so that we get used to the Snap level questions. Once you're done with that, we will go into the mock section, and in the mock section we will start with the Snap full length mocks. There are 20 full length mocks out here which you can practice and get used to it. Star mark wale jo mocks hain, they are the must do mock tests which you must attempt for sure. And for every mock you also have a toppers attempt video which helps you to understand how a SIBM Pune or a 99 percentiler chose the questions, which questions to attempt, which questions to leave. Give your full attempt to the mock tests. With that, to enhance your practice, there are sectional mocks of each and every section. If you think you need more practice in LR, start taking the sectional tests of LR section, taking verbal sectional tests, everything. And along with this, apart from these 20 mocks, you are going to get some special mocks which is going to be available after the SNAP mock 1, which will be based on the SNAP mock 1. You will get the mock tests for your SNAP 2 and 3. After SNAP mock 2 or SNAP actual second, which is 15 December ke baad, on 16th or 17th we will be releasing new set of mocks based on SNAP 2, so that just in case if there are any variations which come in SNAP in terms of number of questions or type of questions, all of that will be taken care of here. Apart from these mocks, a must do thing for all of you is the SNAP Maximizer books. So go to your ebook section, go to the SNAP Jetpack and check out these SNAP Maximizer books of each and every section. There's General English, Analytical and Logical Reasoning, Quants. All of them solve each and every SNAP Maximizer book. It will help you. It's a bunch of 1,000 must-do SNAP questions of the SNAP level, which will help you in your preparation. Lastly, to get a fair idea about the previous year papers, SNAP's entire paper is not available, but memory-based questions are available. So in SNAP Jetpack, you get the memory-based questions of the SNAP PYQ series. Okay, all of this you can check more details on the website, and along with that, make sure you have not missed out on any of the Symbiosis exam colleges application deadlines. In your SNAP form itself, you have to pay 1,000 rupees per program by just tick marking it. That's only what you need. So for colleges like an SIBM Pune and SCM HRD, 7th December is the deadline before you write your SNAP exam. So ensure you don't miss the deadline and don't wait for the last day for the application. पहले कर लो ताकि आप stress free होके पढ़ाई कर सकते हो. Alright, all the best, take care, and if you guys need any more help or assistance, drop in the comment section and I shall help you guys. Bye bye, take care.